Ooh, that is not good. That is scary. Did I check the front of this bike after it's been sitting? I should have checked the brakes. Well, welcome back. This is looking amazing. Let me tell you that right now. Absolutely amazing. All my bike gear. But today, it's time to go do a little shakedown of the new bike. Let's go. All right, boys and girls. Welcome back to a very long overdue video. YouTube has taken such a back seat, and I've been working on Instagram stuff for sponsors and also the new bike and stuff and the agreement. So just hadn't had a minute to take the camera out and talk to you guys on YouTube. YouTube is becoming very left-leaning, very liberal. You can't do a lot of stuff anymore like I used to. Anything remotely swear word or education of another driver, or like the bad driver videos that were always so popular, those will never fly ever again. So just to make videos is just kind of like depressing, you know, like used to get some major views and then now I don't anymore. You know, entertainment industry is very difficult. It comes and goes, right? So new shows replace old shows and blah blah blah. So you know, that's my excuses for not uploading all too much. But look, let's get to some more positivity. This is the new machine, the new beast. This is the track focused Grom. It is barely street legal the way it, well, it's not street legal. The tires are not 100% street legal. They don't have siping in them, so if it were to rain I would be screwed up, like messed up. But right now it's right now it's beautiful out, so no need to really worry about that. Other than that, it's basically got crash protection, some small engine upgrades, and then I'm going to do the new springs and fork oil for the front because it dives a lot under braking. A friend of mine, his cousin, basically bought it for a year, then had a family and kids and stuff, and I've just been kind of bugging him over the last couple months. Hey, want to sell it? And finally he's like, sure. I'm like, what? So ended up with a Grom. We'll get out of this neighborhood. I don't know, kind of lost here, just kind of riding around slow roads. We'll get out of this neighborhood to some roundabouts I like to hit, and I'll show you the bike. I'm in full leather, so I want to see if I can knee down this thing. The temperature is cooking right now, so it should be on these slicks, should be like insane. Oh yeah, it feels hilarious. It's got wide bars on it, dirt bike bars. It's got crash protection all over it. It is like set up perfectly. It was sitting for a couple of years, so this is an oil change, new high flow oil pump on it, and a smaller gear in the front. I do not like those new Corvettes, man. I swear, ugly. My opinion, don't kill me. It's got $500 rear sets on this thing now. That came with the bike, just had to put them on. So it's hilarious. The only downside is no headlight, so it's got like a custom LED light to be street legal, but it doesn't have the OEM headlight. I guess he sold it, so don't really need it. Extra weight. It's going to be mostly track ridden. I put a plate on it just in case I want to do this and have some fun, but it's going to be track ridden, this thing. There's no point getting it for the... Oh, I'm going to really hone my skills in with this thing. And that's why I got it, guys. You know, I've just been riding the big bikes. The track's so far away from where I live, and to get the Super Duke on the track, it's so expensive. $500 for a set of tires, poof, gone in a weekend. Like 2 track days, bam. The tires are run, see ya, gone. Then hotels, because Area 27 is in a Soyuz, it's like a destination like hotspot. The hotels are so expensive, like immensely expensive. So, you know, before you've done it with the track day fees up here are absolutely insane. You know, it's a $2,000 weekend for tracking the big bike, so kind of tired of paying that kind of money and haven't done it in years because of that cost. So this guy, I'll be able to go out to a kart track with it and just go hone the skills, have some fun, and to get that next level. I got the Super Motard. I've been doing stuff I've never done before on that, like learning how it feels on dirt. And yeah, this is a new bike, guys. Absolutely hilarious. It's set up way better than the ones I've previously ridden. Those are very much like kind of show Groms, if you remember the Groms back in the day. that I've been on. This is set up kind of the way I like it, more function over style, like the track, you know. This thing will be hilarious at the track. I can't wait. Change some gearing too, so it's a little slower top speed. I bet I look ridiculous. Get some heat in these babies. Feel like Marquez up in his biznatch. Oh wow, what's going on here? Yeah, people love the Grom. Gotta adjust some of the controls for me. These are too high up. Gotta bring them down a bit. But other than that, let's see what we got going on here at these roundabouts. Oh yeah, it's gonna carry, oh my goodness, it feels amazing. Gonna carry so much speed though. The bars are insane, it just wants to turn. This guy's crossing where he's not supposed to. I like it. This is exactly why I got the Grom, man. Just for some shits. It's so tippy. It's so tippy. It's these tires. This is hilarious. I'm gonna carry so much speed if I want to even dream of getting knee down on this thing. The bike is probably still upright. This is awesome. Alrighty. So here she is. It is a 2014 model with 700 kilometers. That is it.
Legal?
It is street legal, yeah. Yeah. 125 cc.
Huh?
125 cc.
Yeah. Special do you like in the? It's what's a gas one?
Well, yeah, this is gas, but it's like it's very light and very like fun to play around with on the corners. So it's like I'd use it for track because you can see the tires aren't street legal; they're slicks. Yeah. So it's more a track day bike. But we have some track nights coming up this weekend, so I wanted to just take it for a little spin.
Oh yeah, why the light is always on?
Oh.
So you've got 125 cc.
Yeah, 125 cc, 6 horsepower.
6 horsepower?
Yeah.
So this is like we got a Honda in India. That's 100 cc.
Yeah, well in India you guys have Bajaj, B-A-J-A-J.
No, but Honda too.
Yeah, and then TVR or TVS. Yeah.
Yeah, but the Honda is more popular.
And what about yeah, because it's Hero.
Hero Honda now.
Yes.
But there was a Honda before.
This gentleman and I talked for 15-20 minutes. I told him about my India trip and everything. He told me about his Royal Enfield he had back home, and it was a really awesome chat.
The cool bike.
Yeah, thanks man. Cool, have a good day. That's so nice, man. Anyone in the bike community just they want to talk about bikes. So this guy has a gear shift indicator. I have to reprogram it, and it's got a temperature gauge because it does get hot with it being air cooled. Anyway, so this guy has a custom thing here. So it's just made out of like a sign with some carbon fiber stuff, a little light to be legal. But it's nice because it doesn't come out too far. Because when it low sided this side of the track, it hits some of the stuff. So imagine if the light was here, it'd be damaged. That's just my mirror from the Motar, just to be street legal. There's a mirror on the bike. And yeah, it's got the crash protection, the Y bars, rear sets, like I said, is absolutely fantastic. The outside of wheels it has are pristine. These are just like the race wheels, so a little bit banged up, but it's absolutely fantastic. So much more lean angle to go. It is so fun, guys and girls. But yeah, let's continue our little journey. Oh, what the f? Let's lost my front brake. Ooh, that is not good. That is scary. Did I check the front of this bike after it's been sitting? I should have checked the brakes. Man, that is not good. I just felt the bolt go too. And I look down and the brake is gone. Both bolts hit my leg. I doubt we're gonna find them. Man, now I gotta buy new bolts. At least I'm okay, right? Good thing it wasn't a corner or a car or get rear-ended, you know? Yeah, so anyone buying a bike from someone else, check everything, because I did not check those bolts good enough, apparently. If I can get one bolt, I can rig it back and hopefully be okay. If I can't get both bolts or just one, then I think it comes with a little bit of tools. It does. Is there a zip tie in here? Okay, so don't know if I was recording that last part or not, but I've since bolted the caliper to the fairing, which I can't believe I'm saying that out loud. So now I have no front brakes and a really crappy rear brake. So I don't really know if I want to go onto a 100-kilometer-an-hour road down there, the highway. I think I'm going to push it back that way and get on that slower road. It'd be much safer. Okay, let's walk this girl back so no one thinks I'm riding it back the wrong way, because that's not good. Does it sink? Oh, poor biker. Nothing to see here. Nothing to see here. Perfect. Red light's going red. No cars this side. The maneuver is about to take place. Here we go. Stop looking at me. Just go. Well, boys and girls, that's the end of that video. Hopefully it's entertaining. I'm going to try and limp home. I'm like another 20 minutes, I think. So I'm going to go all the slow back ways. I should be okay. Just remember, rear brake only, and leave so much space. But anyways, boys and girls, it's good to be back. I'm going to try and make a bunch of videos. I've got so much content lined up. I'll just make it just for you guys. But until next one, peace.